Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have learned how to define the load case. Before jumping into the jobs, first we have to divide our whole model into smaller segment, which we basically call meshing. So how do we mesh our model? Go here, geometry and mesh, then operations, subdivide, and this is the window. So you can see here are some divisions. This is x-axis, this is y, and this is z-axis. So we want 24 divisions in x-axis, same goes for y-axis, but we don't want any divisions in z-axis. So click elements. If you choose this one means all existing elements that are shown or not shown in here. All the elements will be subdivided into 24 divisions in x-axis, 24 divisions in y-axis, and no change in z-axis. So click here and you will see this one got meshed. So click OK. There are some duplicate nodes, so we have to remove this one. So click here, sweep, then click all, and you will see around 13,890 duplicate nodes were deleted. So that's how you can mesh your model. In the next video, we will see how to create jobs. Until then, see you in the next video.